Hello everyone! Today, I'm excited to introduce you to a game-changing solution for your blood sugar control, GlucoBerry. GlucoBerry is a brand new, powerful supplement designed to help you maintain healthy blood sugar levels and achieve a more balanced lifestyle. With increasing levels of diabetes and pre-diabetes in the community, it is more important than ever to have a reliable solution at your fingertips. That's where GlucoBerry comes in. This unique supplement is made from a carefully selected blend of natural ingredients that work together to regulate blood sugar levels and improve overall insulin sensitivity. One of the key ingredients in GlucoBerry is raspberry ketone, which has been shown to help lower blood sugar levels and increase the body's ability to use fat for energy. In addition, GlucoBerry contains green tea extract, which is known for its antioxidant properties and ability to support healthy liver function. This means your body will be better equipped to manage blood sugar naturally. But that is not all. GlucoBerry also contains a carefully selected blend of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin D3, and the keto acid complex. These nutrients work together to support overall health and well-being and play a key role in insulin sensitivity and blood sugar regulation. With a powerful blend of natural ingredients, GlucoBerry is the perfect solution for anyone looking to manage their blood sugar levels and achieve a healthier and more balanced lifestyle. Say goodbye to the need for expensive medications or life-changing insulin treatments and say hello to a healthier and happier you. So why wait? Take control of your blood sugar today with GlucoBerry and experience the benefits for yourself. Your body deserves nothing less than the best.